Now, let us discuss another property that how the potential develops when charge is given to a conductor. Let us begin with again with the spherical conductor. We have given it Q charge. Radius of this spherical conductor is R. So potential on its surface is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. We can calculate it from E dot dr. This is the potential. So E here is just we have learnt 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. So we can put here to calculate it to find the result. So electric potential is depending on R. 1 upon R. It depends on 1 upon R. Also, this potential depends on the charge. Two things. So if charge is given, now we will use this property. If charge is given, the potential develops on the surface of this conductor, and also the potential remains the same inside. Potential on the surface is V, potential inside the conductor will be same. That will be V, because electric field here is 0. So potential comes out to be constant. Now, if charge is given to this conductor, then the potential increases, or we can say Q is proportional to V also. The potential develops, charge also increases. Charge is given, potential increases. So here we write a constant C into V to remove this sign of proportionality. So C comes out to be Q upon B. This C is the electrical capacitance of the conductor. Electrical capacitance of the conductor, which is nothing but the ratio of the charge supplied to the potential potential develop on its surface. So now let us calculate the electrical capacitance of this spherical conductor. Now charge given to this spherical conductor is Q. Potential developed on its surface is V. So let us put so the capacitance of spherical conductor C comes out to be Q is the charge given, V is the potential developed on its surface, Q by R. So Q cancels out, and this is 1 here. So we have an expression 4 pi epsilon naught into R. So now if this charge capacitor, this spherical conductor is of dielectric, having dielectric strength K, and it is given Q charge, then the value for the potential will be V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K Q upon R. In that case, in case of dielectric medium, then it will be Q upon 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K into R. Q upon R. 1 upon Q upon R. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. So this Q cancels out, 1 remains, and we are left with capacitance of the spherical conductor with the dielectrics K, medium K, having dielectric constant K, 4 pi epsilon naught Kr. So this is the capacitance. Electrical capacitance depends on the size R, epsilon naught K. Now if we calculate the capacitance of Earth having radius 6400 kilometer, means 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter, then the electrical capacitance of Earth with this radius, it comes out to be 711 microfarad. This is an assignment for you. Now this electrical capacitance depends on two factors, Rn. Now the unit of this, SI unit of capacitance is farad, and this is nothing but C is equal to Q upon V, Coulomb per volt. And this is called farad. Now this is another assignment. If you want to make a conductor of 1 farad capacitance, so what will be the radius of that spherical conductor? This is one of the assignment we have to do. So I will ask you later on.